Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Danish Irfan bin Azhar, and today I'm going to teach you guys on how to link data between different worksheets and sheets. First of all, you need to open your Google Drive. Search Google Drive. You click Google Drive Sign In. If you need a new blank spreadsheet, you can click button New, go to Google Sheets, click the arrow and click blank spreadsheet. So you will get like this. But today's lesson, I already have the data to study. So I will click the first data and the second data. So before I start, I'm going to tell you guys the difference between worksheets and sheets. So firstly is these two is two different worksheets, or you can call it different tabs. Next is these two is two different sheets, or you can call two different workbooks or two different files. So the first thing that I want to teach you guys is I want to link this data from People tab and New People tab to a new tab which name Summary. So first of all, I will add a new tab and I will rename it Summary. Enter. So I would like to have the total of people data and new people data. So before I'm gonna have the total people data and new people data, I need to sum both data. So I will go to the bottom of the data and click at H4 cell, put equal sign, sum formula, open bracket, and you will click at H2 until H3 for the range. H2 until H3. Close bracket, enter. So you will get the total of people data. So next, you must do the total data for new people. So first of all, you need to put equal sign, sum formula, open bracket. You must click from H2 until H6 for the range of the data and close bracket. So you will get the total of new people data. Now I want to transfer two of this total data to a new tab which name Summary. So first I will write people and the next one is new people. So in order I want to link the total of people data and new people data, I need to memorize the position of the total data situated in both tabs. So for the people tab, the total situated at H4. So I will write it here, equal sign, the name of the tab which is people, exclamation mark, and the name of the cell which is H4. H4. We click enter and I will get the exact amount of people data. Now you need to do the same thing for new people data. So go to new people data, recognize the total data position which is at H7. So you go to summary, click beside the summary, put equal sign and put the name of the tab. But this tabs have two words, which is new people. So in order you want to combine the words, you need to put a single quote. So we'll put a single quote, new people tab, close single quote, exclamation mark, and the name of the cell, which is H7, enter. So I have already linked two total data from two different tabs. So now I want to bring the whole data from new people tabs. So how? Firstly, you need to recognize the range is starting from H2 until H6. So I will go to this summary tab. I will write new people data. I will analyze the column. So first of all, you need to put equal sign, single quote, and the name of the tab, which is new people, single quote, exclamation mark. So this part you need to put the range of the data that you want to link, which is from H2 until H6. 6. Close bracket, enter. So this one you only link with only one cell. This because this cell is same position like new people data. In order you want to bring the whole data, you need to put array formula at the beginning of the formula. So I will put array formula, bracket, and bracket. I will enter. So I will get the whole data linked with this tab. So now I want to teach you guys on how to move this data to F column. So first of all, you need to put an equal sign, the range of the data, which is from B4 until B8. So firstly, I need to put B2 until B8. But do you see something wrong? It should be B4, but it still have wrong with this function. You must include array formula in order you want to bring the whole data to this column. Bracket and enter. So now you will get the whole data linked with this column. So next, I will teach you guys on how to sum the data without totaling the data at the bottom of the table. So first of all, I need to clear this one first. So first, we need to see the range of the data that we want to transfer, which is H2 until H6. So we also can get the total by use this function, which is equal sign sum formula, bracket, and the name of the tab, which is new people, single quote, exclamation mark, and you must put the range of the data that you want to link, which is from H2 until H6. Bracket, enter. And now you will get the same amount with this one. It's because we have the same range with this one. But if you delete this total, see at the summary, this total will remain the same, but this will missing. This is because it's not, the function is not working. The function is still working, but it is linked with an empty space. So in order we want to bring it back, we must to undo by click Ctrl Z. So go to summary back, and now I want to tell you guys on how to bring the total of the data without um, to write the whole formula at this cell. Yes, now I will clear it first. Okay, in order you want to have the total of the data, you only need to put an equal sign, click People tab, and click H4 for the total, and you will click Enter. Now you will get the same amount like this one. So next, you must do the same thing for new people. So you put equal sign, click new people, and click H7 cell, and you click enter, and you will get the same total with this data. So next, I would like to have the sum of data starting from H2 until H6 without click H7 cell. So now I need to go to summary tab. I will put equal sign, sum formula, open bracket, and I will click new people, and I will drag this until H6, close bracket, enter, and I will get the whole total data for new people. Make sure if you want to use this method by only click equal sign, click people, and click H4 cell, you need to really understand the function is. This because if you have any problem with the link, you must fix from the function. So next, I will teach you guys on how to link data between two different sheets. So these are two different sheets. So I want to link all this data to this sheet. So first of all, I need to copy the link. So I will click this one and press Ctrl C. Before I transfer the data, I want to have the sum of the total data. So I will put equal sign, sum formula, bracket, and click H2 until H5. Close bracket and press enter. So you will get the total for this data. So in order you want to link to this sheet, you must to remember the position of the total data, which is at H6, and the name of the tab, which is people. So before I do that, I will write another people data. I will enlarge my folder. So in order you want to link with two different sheets, you must to use import range function. So you must to put equal sign, write import range, open bracket, quotation, and you will paste the link of the sheets by click Ctrl V. At the end of the link, you must put double quotation, comma, quotation, and you must put the name of the tab, which is people tab. And then you must put exclamation mark, the position of the cell, which is H6, 6, quotation, and close the bracket. Enter, and you will get like this one. If you don't get like this one, you will get to validate the data by you click the data and you click allow, and both data will link together. And now I want to do a new tabs for this data, but I will duplicate it first. I duplicate and I will rename it, other people. Enter. Now you must delete one row from the data because you want to have a new total for the data. So I will click row number 3, right click and click delete row. So now I will have a new total for the data. So in order I want to link this data to another sheet, I will copy the link first, and please remember the positions of the total, which is at H5 and at other people tabs. So you will go to other people sheets, click right here, put equal sign, click import range, open bracket, quotation, and paste the link. You must put quotation, comma, quotation, and don't forget to write the tab's name, which is other people, exclamation mark, and the positions of the total, which is at H5, quotation, and close bracket. Enter. And now you will get the same total with this data. And now I will teach you guys on how to get the total of the data without totaling its total at the bottom of the table. And now I will clear this total first, clear it, and first thing you must do is copy the link first. Click the link and click copy, go to this sheet, click this one, put equal sign. So in order you want to have the total of this data, you must to include the range of the data, which is from H2 until H5. So if you want to have the total without click the total at the bottom of the table, you must to put the sum formula, open bracket, import range, quotation. Before the quotation, you must put open bracket, quotation, and paste the link. And at the end of the link, you must put quotation, comma, quotation, and put the name of the tab, which is people, exclamation mark, and the range of the data, which is from H2 until H5. So we put H2 until H5. H5. Quotation, and close the bracket. And now you will get the same total with this data. So if you want to link all this data, you will do like this. I click this function and you just need to remove the sum formula and click enter. So before that you must delete the bracket at the end of the function and click enter, and you will get the whole data for this people tab. In order you want to have the whole data from this sheet, you only need to correct the function, which is the range, starting from A2, and you definitely will get the whole data from these sheets. So I think that is all from me. Thank you.